The skill level of the operators and the skill level of the technicians play a huge part in how the machines function. If an operator doesn't understand how to properly operate his machine, he could be doing things with the best of intentions and doing things out of sequence or making adjustments that just cause more problems that then cause the mechanics or the maintenance people to come out and try to figure out what happened last. So that's one of the things the operators can do. They could even be directed to do things incorrectly. Now, when it comes to the maintainers, either they don't have the skill from a critical thinking troubleshooting perspective, which you can fix with some training, but some of that's hiring and culture, or the procedures they have to do appropriate maintenance are incorrect. So, for instance, if I was changing oil in my car and I pulled the oil filter off before I drain the crankcase, I'm going to have a huge mess. If I tried to run the vehicle or I tried to drain the oil while I was running the vehicle, I'd blow the engine up, right? So I know I'm supposed to drain the oil and change it, but if I don't understand that I'm supposed to shut the machine down before I do that, I could cause a huge problem. Likewise, if I put the wrong filter back in because I don't know the difference between filters, it could cause a failure in the engine because I'm not properly filtering it, right? Or I'm adding more oil than I should to compensate for the filter, and it doesn't have the right Micron level media to be able to filter out the particulates I'm actually going after.